Hi, my name is Raghavendra. Welcome to my channel and also to this new video. The purpose of my videos are to help the people to help themselves. So in this direction, I am creating a new video which will definitely and surely will help you in certain way. So I've been talking about the insurance and insurance products, its importance in my videos. So related to this video I have created purposefully because most of you will be having some doubts in your mind. Which insurance company I should prefer to choose or to buy insurance policy for yourself? Say most of you must have already have one or two policies. That may be because you not have decided to buy. Maybe some friends or relatives must have forced you to buy, or they would have advised, okay, please take one, it will help me, that kind of a thing. So you would have purchased from them. You would have really not thought about like how the company is doing, which company is this, how it is beneficial to you, all those things. So in this video, I am going to give some inputs which will help you to choose the right insurance industry for your policies. So the topic of this video is how to choose the best life insurance company. So as I told you before, you must be having one or two or three or four life insurance policies from various companies. So while buying, you would not have analyzed whether that company is good or that company is bad. There's no such thing like bad company, but whether that company where you can really rely upon, that kind of a thing. So you have just purchased because as I told you, that friend must have suggested you that okay, this is a company, good company, you please go for that. Or your relative must have told you that this is a company, you please go for that. Something like that. But whether it's really required you to analyze life insurance company before you make an investment or before you buy a life insurance product. If you ask me that question, my answer will be yes. You have to analyze before you make a decision to purchase a policy from any of the insurance companies. So there are so many life insurance companies in India. So most of us know only LIC because it's a very old company, and people may not be knowing other life insurance companies. So there are 24 life insurance companies in India. So they are operating in India and they are giving so many policies to people. So it is very important to analyze the company before you make an investment or before you buy a insurance policy, because it is your hard-earned money you are investing with the hope of getting lump sum benefit either on maturity or in your life or upon death, the lump sum benefit for your family. In India, we have around 24 life insurance companies. You can see in the screen like I've listed many of them here. So you'll be able to get some idea about like how many life insurance companies we have in India. The very big challenge for any of the person is to select or choose the best life insurance company among these life insurance companies. So you may be having one question in your mind and how I can analyze the life insurance companies and come out with some kind of a decision like, oh, this is the good life insurance company where I can go and purchase a policy. I have listed up four major criteria to analyze a life insurance company to decide yourself that which is the best company you can choose to buy a insurance policy. So before I discuss about those points, so I would like to give some knowledge about the regulatory authorities pertaining to the life insurance. So you all must be knowing that RBI, Reserve Bank of India, it is the controlling authority for all the banks, including private banks in India. Similarly, SEBI, you must have heard. So this organization is controlling the stock exchanges in India. In the same way, IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, this particular organization is going to regulate all the life insurance companies or other insurance companies in India. So any company which is coming forward to give insurance policies, company must be approved by the IRDAI. So most of the people are worried like why and how I can take a policy from a private company. No, it is not like that. So every company, if you are trusting a private bank for your to deposit your money, at the same time you can also trust the private insurance companies to go for a life insurance or any other insurance policies, because it is controlled by IRDAI. So now I will talk about the parameters to choose the best life insurance company. So there are four major parameters on which you can analyze or check whether that is a good company to buy a insurance policy. First one is claim ratio, second one is solvency ratio, third one is cost of the policy, fourth one is service. So first we will talk about the claim ratio. Now the question is, what is claim ratio? The claim ratio is nothing but the insurance claim settlement ratio of settled claims against the total received in a year. That means you can see the formula there, total claims approved or paid divided by the total claims received by the insurer into 100. This is nothing but percentage what we are talking about. When we talk about the claim ratio, this is nothing but the percentage of settlement. So here the claim settlement ratio, if it is higher than 80%, then it is called as a good claim settlement ratio. If it is above 90%, then company is offering a great value to the customer. So it is more than welcome. That means wherever you can find that claim ratio is above 90%, you can definitely go for that particular insurance company and you can buy an insurance policy. Now you can see in the screen on the right side, I have given a list of insurers and also their total number of claim settled. This is for the year 21 and 22. I took this information from Policybazaar, where you can see Max Life Insurance is the highest among all the companies, 99.34%. You can have all other insurance policies and you can see what is the claim ratio. Now the second one is solvency ratio. So what is solvency ratio? Solvency ratio tells us about the financial condition of the company. This shows company's financial ability to settle the claims. You know, right? See, once we buy a policy, then after certain years of paying the premium, there will be a maturity date on which you will be going and submitting your policy to the company saying, yes, I have completed all my payment. Now I have to get the amount. So at that particular time, insurance company has to settle your claim. That means it has to pay whatever the sum assured to you on that particular policy. This is called the company's ability to pay or settle the claim. So the formula to arrive at the solvency ratio is the net income plus the depreciation divided by liabilities. Here the IRDA itself has given the direction to all the insurance companies that its solvency ratio should be 150% minimum. If it is above than that, then it is good, but company should maintain 150% of its 150% as the solvency ratio. In simple words, what I can say is that if the company's liability is 100 rupees to pay you, then it must have 150 rupees in its as it's the solvency ratio. That is the direction from the IRDA. The right side, you can see on March 2022 what was the solvency ratio of different life insurance company. So Aditya Birla Company. Then you can see the highest one here is Bajaj Allianz. So then next is the Canara HSBC. Then comes the Exide Life Insurance. So this is for your reference and you can go through this. So wherever it is below than 150 is not the great company to choose. So here you can see all companies are above 1.5. So in all companies, the solvency ratio is good. So next one is cost of the policy. What is cost of the policy? Cost of the policy is nothing but the premium you are paying for a particular policy. Why it is very important? So there are, as I told you, there are many insurance companies. They offer a lot of similar or slightly different insurance products. So you may have to compare the policies of different companies and see which one is beneficial for you and which one is comparatively cost effective. This is very important. If you are paying high premium for the same kind of a benefit which is offered by other company, then that is not the ideal company to choose. You can choose the other one, provided the other parameters are good. So what I am saying here is, it is the premium which you are paying for the said benefit. So compare the price tag of similar products of different companies and decide the worth of such products. Compare the risk cover and maturity benefit of similar product of other companies. Finally, check whether the price tag matches your budget. So last one is the service, that is service to the customer. What kind of a service the company is giving to the customer? That is very, very important. You should not be like once you purchase a policy then gone. So no one will be there to take care of your requirements or your queries. So it's very important that the company's customer care service is very, very good. So most of the times people say, instead of going for online purchasing of the policies, please prefer to choose a advisor, because you can catch hold of the advisor and ask him like, this is my query, please resolve this. So in online, every time you call, so then some different people will attend, then you may have to tell all your details once again. So this kind of difficulties you may face. Anyways, I'm not saying that buying online is not a good thing, but still you have to see whether customer service is good in that particular company. So if you get convinced that all these four major parameters are good, then you can choose or you can decide which is the best company to buy a insurance policy for yourself. So I'm also giving one list here. This is one of the information which was available in the website. So I am just showing you for your reference. Best life insurance companies in India. There are 10 companies in India which they have given. So they have told number one is Max Life Insurance, second one is Aegon Life Insurance, third one is Bharti Extra, fourth one is Bajaj Alliance, fifth one is HDFC Life, sixth one is LIC, then seventh one is Pramerica Life Insurance, eighth one is Exide Life, ninth one is Kotak Mahindra, and 10th one is Reliance Nippon. This is just for your reference, but you have to choose the insurance for, company for yourself based on the four parameters which I have discussed in this video. So this is about the life insurance policy. So, but still I want to continue and say, so even if when you are buying a health policy, there also you are required to do certain kind of analysis, because there also you are paying some premium for the health insurance company, and you should be able to get a better service when you make a claim. If you like this video, please click on the like button, forward to your friends so that they can also get some knowledge. Thank you.